Good morning, friends. Today I am sharing with you the most delicious protein bagel recipe that I found. I will put the link of the full recipe in the description box below from the original creator. I am telling you what, these literally blew me away and only took a few minutes to whip up. Super easy ingredients you probably already have in your home. First, you'll combine all the ingredients that I listed above, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and mix it up a little bit with a fork to kind of get it going. And then I'll go back in and hand mix it and knead it about 20 times. We're gonna let this rest for about 10 minutes while the oven preheats to 375. After that, you will take it out, roll it into a log, and then you're gonna cut it into 4 equal pieces. We will then roll these out again and then shape into the form of bagels. You're gonna place them on your parchment lined baking sheet, and then you'll do a little egg wash on top. And then I liked to sprinkle some sesame seeds on a few, but I really love everything bagel seasoning as well, but I didn't have any of that today, so I just did a little bit of sesame seeds and then I left the others plain. We're gonna pop them in the oven for about 25 minutes. I would just check them around the 23 mark because mine cooked a little bit quicker, but I do have a gas oven. I just took these bagels out of the oven and they smell amazing. Amazing. I cannot wait to cut in. I have to let them set for 15 minutes. It says do not skip this step. So we're gonna let them rest for 15 minutes and then we are cutting into one. They are delicious. Like, what have we been doing all this time? I don't know, but I'm behind, obviously. Those were literally the best bagels that I've ever had. The fact that these are made with like 5 ingredients or less, and they have, I don't know how many grams of protein, I'll have to go back and look, blew me completely away. Completely. You have got to try these.